Is your Verizon Wi-Fi slower than a snail in molasses? Let's fix that with a simple wireless extender setup. First, unpack your Verizon Wi-Fi extender. You should have the extender itself, a power adapter, and possibly a short Ethernet cable, though we won't need it for a wireless setup. Plug your extender into a power outlet. Ideally, this should be halfway between your Verizon router and the area where you have poor Wi-Fi signal. Locate the WPS button on your Verizon router. It's usually on the back or side and may be labeled WPS or have a WPS symbol. Press the WPS button on your router. Then, within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your Verizon extender. The lights on the extender will start blinking, indicating they are trying to connect. Wait for the extender's light to turn solid green or blue. This means the extender has successfully connected to your Verizon router. This might take a few minutes. On your devices, search for available Wi-Fi networks. You should see your existing Verizon network name, and it might have _ext added to the end or a slightly different name. Connect to this new network. Now, test your internet speed. You should notice a significant improvement in your Wi-Fi coverage and speed in those previously dead zones. Enjoy.